We are covering the AWS Global Infrastructure, a core topic for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. Understanding this physical backbone is critical for many scenario-based questions. Let's start with the largest component, an AWS region. A region is a physical, geographic location in the world, like Northern Virginia or Ireland, where AWS has multiple data centers. Each region is designed to be completely isolated from the others for the greatest possible fault tolerance and stability. Inside each region, you will find multiple availability zones, or AZs. An AZ is a distinct location within a region, engineered to be isolated from failures in other AZs. Think of an AZ as one or more discrete data centers with redundant power, networking, and connectivity. The exam will test your understanding of this hierarchy. A common trick question might ask whether you should deploy to multiple regions or multiple AZs for high availability. For achieving fault tolerance for an application within a single geographic area, the answer is deploying across multiple AZs. This is called a multi-AZ architecture, and it's a fundamental concept for the exam. If you see a question about making an application highly available or fault-tolerant, your first thought should be multi-AZ deployment. Now, let's not confuse availability zones with edge locations. The exam will try to trip you up here. Edge locations are a much larger network of sites, separate from regions, designed to get content closer to your users. They are the backbone of services like Amazon CloudFront, a content delivery network, and Amazon Route 53 for DNS. If a scenario is about reducing latency or speeding up the delivery of content, like videos and images to a global user base, the answer involves edge locations and CloudFront, not deploying your entire application to a new AZ. The exam will absolutely give you a scenario and ask you to choose the best region based on 4 key factors. First is compliance and data residency. If a law, like GDPR in Europe, requires data to stay within a specific country, that is your primary driver. Second is latency. You want to select a region geographically close to the majority of your users to give them the fastest response times. Third is service availability. Not all AWS services are available in every region, especially newer ones. An exam question might trick you by asking you to deploy a specific new service in a region where it's not yet offered. Finally, there's pricing. Service costs can vary from one region to another. While often the last consideration after compliance and latency, a question focused on cost optimization might point you to a slightly cheaper region. To remember these 4 factors for choosing a region, use this mental shortcut. Customers love service prices. That stands for compliance, latency, service availability, and pricing. Remembering customers love service prices will help you deconstruct and correctly answer those scenario questions on exam day. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.